In very simple terms, the Singletrack is the best hydration backpack we have made yet. The design intention with this product was to minimize weight and bulk while maximizing comfort. The Singletrack combines many design elements and features to create a bag that is incredibly comfortable and convenient to use. This is not a product for those who are after something basic. The Singletrack is made for riders that understand and appreciate the value of premium, purpose-built and durable gear. We've really tried to elevate the user experience that one can have with a hydration backpack. We've looked at how light it can be, we've thought about organization within the pack itself, we've evolved what the carrying straps and systems can be, and we've incorporated finer touches that transform how you interact with the product itself. So yes, it's a hydration backpack, but it's also probably unlike anything you've used before. When you see or use the Singletrack for the first time, the harness will definitely stand out. We've ditched the traditional backpack straps and developed the dash system, which offers much better load distribution. The dual adjustable sliding harness can be adjusted to better match the length of the torso, and it also helps shift weight away from the shoulders and towards the chest in an even manner. The other thing that you will notice and probably quite enjoy with this harness is the generous use of appropriate fidlock magnetic closures. Fidlock is widely considered the best in the business for this, and the Singletrack features 3 unique fidlock components. At the sternum closure, for the quick release system on the left strap, as well as a lock to secure the hydration tube. So wearing the Singletrack involves 2 satisfying magnetic clicks. And the fidlock closures don't budge thereafter. Removing the bag is just as easy. Slide the sternum closure upward and lift the quick release buckle on the left side strap. The Singletrack is not meant to be a gear hauler. The focus here was to achieve a light but functional setup. The main compartment offers 5 liters of total capacity with space for the included 2-liter HydraPack bladder. HydraPack again is a highly regarded premium global brand in this category. You also have a flat zippered mesh pocket within this compartment. Move to the outer pocket and you have approximately a liter of storage as well as an additional zippered mesh pocket for more organization. Whether it's a few snacks, an action camera, or small tools and accessories, there's enough room for all your trail essentials. On the front of the bag, you get a water-resistant outer pocket as well as elasticated bungee cords where you can store an extra pair of gloves or your waterproof gear. We choose to go with a compact and minimalist form to make the Singletrack more versatile. It's a great match for active trail riding where you may not want a heavy load on your back. It works for tourers as well because larger backpacks can often interfere with comfort and movement, especially if you're using a tail bag. If you need more carrying capacity, options like the trail packs or the LFA Enduro rackless saddlebags complement the Singletrack really well and also help to keep some weight on the bike instead of your back. With a product like the Singletrack, you're not paying for one standout feature, but rather for all the pieces of the puzzle that come together to create a better functionality and more premium user experience. It's the lightweight and rugged X-Pack material, the multiple fidlock magnetic closures, the included HydraPack bladder with an insulated ring tube, the dash system, and the raised 3D mesh panels on the harness and the bag that improve ventilation. Even smaller components on the bag reflect this focus on quality, with genuine Duraflex fittings that offer incredible durability and wrap around dual YKK zippers that make access from either side equally easy. There were many corners that could have been cut if we were chasing a price target. But the Singletrack was never meant to be about a race to the bottom. We wanted to create something unique that challenges the notion that hydration bags need to adhere to a standard format. We wanted to elevate the entire experience, and we do believe that we have achieved this. We hope that you will feel the same way when you use the Singletrack too. Thanks for watching.